Have you ever looked for a hotel online?
What are you doing?
Did you notice that there's so
What are
many
you
places
doing?
out there for the exact same room?
Is that hard?
Trivago searches hundreds of websites at the same time and shows
You
you
playing
the
with...
most popular hotels.
Yeah? Yeah.
You can then use it to compare all
Yeah?
the hotels that meet
No,
your
that's the only
criteria
by itself.
and find the room that is ideal
Can you
for
put it on the other one?
Remember, Trivago shows you all the different prices
Yay.
for the exact same room. That's how you can be sure that you're
Oh,
at a good
Mommy.
hotel.
Mummy went to see Auntie Age and Uncle David and the babies.
They say Mr. Clean was born to help people clean better. And that he
Baby?
travels the
Yeah,
world
babies.
inventing amazing new cleaners, like his newest invention, Liquid Muscle, that lifts and cleans tough grease with less scrubbing. It's a liquid gel, so it's less water and cleans more.
No,
And
the
stops
baby.
by itself. So almost nothing is wasted.
No, baby.
Yeah, they went to see babies.
No, baby.
Yeah. What are you doing? Are you playing with what? You playing with the blocks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll go.
Mm-hmm. Where's Maverick?
So,
Buddy. Is Buddy sleeping?
yeah.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, Nanny.
Yeah?
Daddy.
Yeah. Daddy's with Mummy.
Oh. Baby?
Mm-hmm. They went to see the baby. Uncle Day, Auntie Age,
Yeah.
Briella, Avery.
Ready?
Yeah. They went to see the babies.
Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Sadie, Quentin.
Daddy?
Yeah, Dad too. Naomi.
Oh, Nanny.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Nanny.
Where? Where's Nine Nine? Nine Nine's at home, I guess.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
boom.
It could go boom. Good job.
Oh, boom.
Put another one.
Boom.
It's gonna go boom?
Yeah.
You want to watch that?
Yeah.
That's Alvin and the Chipmunks. You
Yeah.
go say bye-bye. Nanny, turn off the camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you show me how you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you show me
Daddy.
Daddy? Mummy? Pussy?
I.
Hi. Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Titi.
Titi told you that? Can you do pussycat?
Meow.
Meow. Meow. And how do you do apple? Apple. Aww.
Titi.
Titi showed you that? And what's your name?
Mm-hmm.
You're Rain. Bye-bye. Say thank you.
Mm-hmm.